In this video, we are going to see how we can define the custom headers or footers in Excel. And we have an example of the payroll sheet. At the end of each page, we want to add the custom footers, which should show either page number, or let's say that we want to add prepared by, signed by, and checked by, these three signature options. And let's say we have many pages, how we can automatically adjust this. Let's see. But first of all, we will see whether we do have the accurate space for it or not. Just click on the file menu and click on print. At the bottom, we do have the space that if we add prepared by, signed by, we still have the space so that the person can easily sign on the page. Let's check the second sheet. And again, we have this ample space. So let's go to the page layout and click on print titles. And from here, we click on headers and footers. If you want to add a header, like you want to choose it from here, which is page reference, page 1 of 10, 2 of 10, like this, or you want to add the current date, file name, or any kind of location, you can do that as well. And again, if we want to add a custom header, that means you want to write your own text or you want to attach an image, you can do that as well. We have these three options: left section, center section, right section. We can add any kind of text. We can insert any kind of page number of pages reference, insert the date, insert time. We can insert a file path, and we can also insert a picture. Let's see what we have in the footer options. So all of the default options are same as we have it in the headers. But if we want to add a custom footer, let's say signed by, prepared by, we can use this custom footer option. Just right here, authorized by, checked by, and signed by. If you want to make it bold, just select the text, go to the font style, click on bold. You can increase the text size as well. And let's say if we want to add an underline at the bottom, just click on the superscript and click on single. It will show it like this. Click OK. So now it shows like this. Let's select the second one, click on bold, make it 14, superscript, and select single. It shows like this. And then we have this one, select the complete text, go to the option, click on bold, make it 14, use the single dash, click OK, and it looks like this. Adjust the size, click OK, and all of these options look like this. Click OK, go to the file and click on print preview, and we have all of these options right at the bottom. If we want to bring this little up, we can adjust this margins manually, and now we have this kind of look of the page. On the second page, the same footers are repeated. Let's try the headers. Go to the page layout, click on print titles, and let's say in the headers, I want to add a custom header, and let's go to the center and let's insert an image. Let's say this is the image I want to use. Insert this. This is a picture. Click OK, and it looks like this. Click OK. File and print. We have this shown right here, but we need to adjust the rest of information. We can bring this information down, and now it is shown properly. But since that image is too big, what we can do is make it smaller, and then you can use it. Similarly, if we want to add any kind of page number like this, page reference, click OK. It shows 1, 2, and all the counting. Click OK. Click on the print preview, and here we have the pages number or references shown at the top. So that's how we can add any kind of custom header or footer in Excel. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.